Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my building blocks Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This blanket is going to be a big square. So we're going to start by making a circle that's going to turn into a square. I have a playlist on a bunch of different circle tutorials and I will have that listed down below so you can pick which one you prefer to work with. So to start row 1, we're going to need a circle that we're going to work into to make our square. I'm using these 4 chains as this is going to be my circle space, this chain down here, and then these 3 chains are going to count as a double crochet. So I'm going to work 2 double crochet into this chain farthest from my hook. And now all together, these are going to be 3 double crochet with these chains over here. Now you're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2 for your corner space because we're starting our square. Into your circle space or your center space, you're going to make 3 double crochet. These 3 double crochet are the sides of our square. So I have my second side ready to make my next corner, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet all into this center space. Chain 2 for the next corner, 3 double crochet into this center space for our last side. Chain 2 for our last corner. Once you have all 4 sides and all 4 corners made, you're going to slip stitch into the chains at the beginning of your row to complete this first row. To start row 2, I brought in my new color and I attached it to any corner space. You can do this by making a slip knot. I already have a tutorial on how to make a slip knot and I can have that listed down below if you need it. So I attached it to a corner space and I made 4 chains. Also, for any row going forward, you're going to flip your square and this will keep your rows straight on your square. Last row we were looking at the front, this time we are looking at the back of my square. So I already made 4 chains. This first chain is going to count as a single crochet. The rest of these are just going to be 3 chains. Work 1 single crochet into the same corner space. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to skip to the next corner space. Into each corner space, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together in that corner space. Now we're going to start from here again. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3 to skip to the next corner space. Into this space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all into that same corner space. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip to the next corner space and make that single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together into that corner space. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Once you make it to the beginning of your row where you have the chains that you made at the beginning, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete row 2. To start row 3, I brought in a new color. You can attach that to any corner space to begin, and you're going to make 3 chains. Again, you're going to flip your square every row. We are looking at the front of my work now. So again, you're going to make 3 chains, and these 3 chains count as a double crochet. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1. We're going to be making these blocks of 3 double crochet. So you're going to make 2 double crochet into this same corner space. We have to establish a new corner space. So you're going to make 2 chains and then work 3 double crochet all into this corner space together. So with these chains, it's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. skip to the next chain space, so this space right here on our side, and make 3 double crochet into that space. So right now our square is still small, so I only have 1 space on each side, but as your square gets bigger, you will have more spaces on each side to work into, and you will make 3 double crochet into each of those spaces. So now I'm at my next corner space. We're going to make the same thing in each corner space. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all together in that same corner space. I'm ready to work my next side. You're going to skip to the next corner space and make 3 double crochet into that space. I'm at my next corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that same corner space. I'm ready to make my next side. Skip to the next chain space between single crochets and make 3 double crochet. Next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that corner. I'm ready to work on my last side. I have 1 space left. 3 double crochet into that space. Once you make it back to the beginning of your row where you have these chains that you made, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete row 3. To start row 4, I have brought in my new color and attached it to any corner space and made 4 chains. We are going to continue to flip our square every row. We are looking at the back of my square. So row 4 is going to be similar to row 2. We're going to be making these chain spaces to work into. We have our 4 chains. One of these is counting as a single crochet. So you're going to make a single crochet into this same corner space. Now I'm ready to work my side. We're going to be making 3 chains to skip over any block of 3 double crochet, and then into this space between stitches we're going to make a single crochet. So make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 double crochet into this space right here between stitches, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches into this space between stitches, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. You're going to skip these last 3 double crochet. Now, right now, again, our square is still small. Once it gets bigger, you're going to have more of these to make across each side. So I've made these 3 chains to skip these 3 double crochet. Into this corner, I'm going to make single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together into that corner space. Now I'm at my side again, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 double crochet, and into this space between stitches make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 double crochet, into the space between stitches make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 double crochet, and into this corner single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together into that corner space. I'm at my next side, make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, make a single crochet between stitches. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, into the space between stitches make a single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 3 stitches, into this corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all in that corner space. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, into the space between stitches make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, into the space between stitches make a single crochet. make 3 chains. You're going to be skipping these 3 double crochet with these chains, but once you get to the beginning of your row where you started and made these corner chains, you're going to slip stitch into these corner chains to complete row 4. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for how big you want your blanket. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 48 rows total. And that is going to be how to make my building blocks Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.